We got toy cars over here. Oh, it's really cold outside. Truck, car. There's someone that shoots like a water pistol or something. Oh. Oh no, it broke off. Am I supposed to use it now? It doesn't even work. Where do you put the water in anyway? How dumb. Can't even put water in it. What's it supposed to do? Cute thing. Thing's dumb. This thing seems to be tough. Why isn't the car tough? Oh, I need a sledgehammer. Too bad I didn't have one. Where's the other car? Truck. Whee. Come on. Oh no, I had a bad accident. I wonder where that other car went. Stupid cars. What's that other one? Found it. It's right underneath the camera. Too easy.